All right, Alexis, here is the 3 girls that you have to pick from. Bees, your mother, mother, mother. Bees, your mother. All right, so this one on the end, that one is a little more, not quite as light. And then this is the one with the cowlick on its nose. That one does have the hernia. And then that one's the bigger, darker one. But I think you were trying to kind of say that you like bee. So you've got 1, 2, and 3. So that's the one with the cowlick. That's the one I said kind of looks like Rocco. And if you wanted to get that one, then she would probably be go to the North American Vet Conference to play champ. That would be her person. She'd have a little acting gig. All right, girl, I'll call you later. Bye.